AMD and Nvidia are seeing their sales increase as businesses and hyperscalers are spending huge sums of dollars building out their data centers optimized for artificial intelligence. Investors are asking me which one I think is the better buy, AMD or Nvidia. I'll answer that question in this video. The first category I wanted to compare these two on is revenue growth. And I wanted to go back a decade to give ourselves a long enough time period to see performance across many years. And interestingly, they both started at around $5 billion in annual sales in 2015. But since then, NVIDIA's growth has exceeded that of AMD. NVIDIA's revenue has grown by almost 30x between 2015 and the most recent trailing 12-month period, from 5 billion up to 149 billion. Phenomenal growth, to be sure. AMD has also increased its revenue nicely by nearly 6x, from 5 billion to 29.6 billion. Nvidia's compounded annual growth rate over this time is 44.2%, while AMD at 23.5%. Interestingly, Nvidia's business, a larger share of its business is focused on the data centers optimized for AI, while AMD's business is still split roughly evenly between its data center AI business and its other segments, including personal computers and laptops and gaming consoles and the Internet of Things products. So AMD's business is focused more so on categories that are not growing as quickly, and that's bringing down and weighing down its overall growth rate. The next category I wanted to compare these AI companies on is return of invested capital. This measures how good a management team is at using company funds or investor funds to invest in products and services that generate profits and cash flow. In this regard, Nvidia is world-class, generating returns on invested capital of over 141% over the previous 2 years. Now, I believe these levels of ROIC are unsustainable for the longer term, but for the near term, I wouldn't be surprised if Nvidia generates these types of returns over the next 2 years or so, while the market growth rates for these data centers optimized for AI continues to exceed the longer-term levels. Meanwhile, AMD's ROIC is below historical levels at less than 5% for the previous 3 or 4 years.
Click the link below to watch the full video.